So now the conclusion. Is it possible to make a magnet float with nothing but physics, code, and a little frustration? Someday I'm gonna be an engineer, and this is how I made a magnet float in mid-air. I have watched a lot of videos on YouTube of floating magnets, superconductors, rotational magnets that float, but how do you actually create a floating magnet? And I know superconductors can be really expensive, around $300-400. And I also am not gonna use a tutorial or something because I want to create them myself. So now the conclusion. Is it possible to make a magnet float with nothing but physics, code, and a little frustration? Let's find out. At first, I tried the same thing as in the video above. A ring magnet, which attracts the magnet, and of course, then 3 or 4 electromagnets that repel it. In this way, you can have a stable magnet floating in mid-air. Just in this picture where North and North Pole repel each other and South and North Pole attract each other. And of course, to create this project, I bought some magnets. So in total, I bought 2 permanent magnets for 20 euros, one ferrite and one neodymium. And I bought 4 electromagnets also for 20 euro on AliExpress. The 4 electromagnets of 5 euros can hold 20 kilograms. That's almost 21 plus 16. So normally this would work. But when everything arrived and I assembled everything, the measurements weren't right on the website. So I had to put in 3 instead of 4. And in this way, the electromagnets weren't strong enough to repel the neodymium magnet. So this didn't work.